Hello guys, so today we are gonna draw this sheet metal part. So let's start. Okay, so first of all just visible the planes. After that I'll choose the front plane. Okay, I'll like hide all the planes. After that I'll select the center corner rectangle. Okay, so its height is 100 mm and its width is 60 mm. So just like make it 100 mm and width is 60 mm. Okay, so if you see over here, the thickness of the sheet metal is 5 mm. So go to sheet metal, go to base flange, enter it 5 mm over here. After that hit OK. Okay, so our main the base part is get ready. So the remaining one is this triangular shaped flanges. So we'll make those flanges. Okay, edge flange. After that, okay, just extend up to some distance and then hit OK. Now we have to edit its geometry. So go in this drop down arrow, sketch, edit. Okay, so first of all delete this one, delete this relation. After that, see this curve over here. It's of radius 20 mm. So just draw the 3-point arc of radius 20. Make it center to the origin. Okay, center to the origin, radius 20, and now this angle is 53 degree. Okay, so this angle is 53 degree. One more thing, make this tangent and make this tangent. Okay, so now it's fully defined over here. Just exit. See, you you will get your like triangular flange. So same thing we are gonna do on the opposite side, but gonna coincide, or we gonna make sketches equal to this primary or the first flange. So show sketches, unhide. So now the sketch is visible. Okay, so if you see over here like these two dots, the sketch is visible. So go to the edge flange, second one, hit OK. After that go in the second option of this. We need to edit the sketch of the second edge flange. Edit sketch. See, delete this one, delete these relations. Okay, after that just make some tilted over here, just put it over here, add one like 3-point arc. Okay, so this is the sketch. So okay, so this is the sketch of the first edge flange and this is the second. Select those, make equal. After again select those and make concentric. Okay, so now they are concentric. Okay, now see the arc is now in black, so it is defined. Now it's time to fully define the lines. So make them tangent, and again this one, this is make it tangent. Okay, so our sketch is fully defined now. So exit. Okay, so our basic structure is ready. uh, Now just add these cutouts. Okay, so I'll add this planes, sketch. Again here it is 20, so it is 40, and again okay, we are gonna make this cutout over here. Okay, so it is at a distance of 10 mm and from this side it is 15 mm. So what I'll do, I'll make this and this as a parallel, this and this as a parallel, and one more thing, I'll make it symmetric also. So if things changed, yeah, symmetric, this is 15 mm and this one is 10 mm, this one is 10 mm. So I'll trim this part apart over here, and the fillet is of radius 5 mm. add fillet, add fillet, add fillet over here, hit OK. So our cutout is now ready and sketch is also in fully defined state. So just cut it. Extrude cut. I'll make it as a through all. Okay, so our cutout is ready. Now I'll make a different cutout of whole of a diameter, diameter 16 mm. 16 mm. Extrude cut through all. Okay. Okay, so now these cutouts are created. So the remaining are these one. So let's finish them. Okay, the center rectangle. Okay, the width is 25 and height is 30. So it is 30 and it is 25. And again, like I'll make the fillet as at 5 mm. Just select the entire rectangle. Hit OK. Okay. After that, hit OK. Okay, extrude cut through all. Again, sketch two circles, like two holes are over here. Make these two holes equal. The distance between them is 75 mm. 75. Make one horizontal line over here. Make it as a construction. After that, select the center, select the line and symmetric. Okay, now select the center, select this point and make it as a vertical. Okay, still it is not fully defined, so the dimension remains of diameter 10 mm. Yeah, the holes are also ready. So extrude cut. Okay, so I guess our part is fully ready. So let's check it, save it. Desktop, part 1. Okay, now just we're gonna check its flat view. So sheet metal flat pattern. Yeah, it will look like this in a flat pattern. And if you want to save its DXF file for the laser cutting, so just go like this, save as new. Where is the DXF format? Say DXF format, desktop, save it, hit OK. See, this kind of DXF file will get generated. So save it. Okay, now the exit flat pattern, and now we will check our DXF file. Okay, so here is the DXF file. So that's it for today's, guys. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and comment. Okay, thank you so much.